how to write a string to a file in Java. So today we are going to learn how to write a string to file in Java. So Eclipse is already open for me and I will create a new class. Write to file and click on check this checkbox for creating the public static void main method, and this will simplify our development. We are going to use the print writer class. So we are creating a object of print writer by passing the file name. So print writer will write the data in this file. So I need to import this class. So import java.util.printWriter, and it throws the exception. So we have to surround the this statement with the try and catch block. To write the data, we will use the function out dot println and enter here the text hello world, and finally you need to close the output stream. So our code is ready. We are using the print writer. Print writer is from java.io package. It prints the formatted representation of object to a text output stream. This class implements all the print method found in print stream. It does not contain methods for writing a raw byte, for which a program should use the unencoded byte stream. So we are going to use the print writer class, use the new operator and pass the name of the file, and the out.println method will take the data, and the out.println method will take the string data and write into the text file, and finally close the output stream. So our program is ready, and right click and run this, run as Java application, and you can see it is completed. I will refresh the Eclipse. So you can see the data.txt is created with this hello world message. If you want to write another string, just copy and write another line. Execute this class and open the data.txt. So it added the another line. The important thing here is that this print writer deletes the data from the existing file. So if you have a existing file and you don't want to delete the data, then you have to use some other method. So in this video we learned how to use the print writer to write the text string to a file in Java. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.